pagpamirma guys no kay at least na-renew na nato ang tulo nato lisensya no ang sa civil engineer okay na pod no karon ang adlaw no na-renew nato ang sa master plumber ug sa contractor consultant material engineer. So karon padayon ta sa pagpapadayon nata sa pagpamirma. So kay lisod kaayo nga ang ato ang mga lisensya no lisensya nato expired ng sige kag pamirma no karon ako diri karon sa Luis PRC. Then ang ako lang is I would like to remind everyone no I would like to remind everyone of the importance of renewing our PRC licenses for civil engineering, then sa master plumber and si accreditation contractors consultants material engineers. So keeping these licenses up to date is essential, as having expired licenses can lead to significant challenges. So particularly when we continue to engage in transactions. So dapat good updated. We should always abide the rules and regulations of the PRC rules and regulations. So I also want to share that I was able to successfully renew. No, I was able to successfully renew my PRC licenses, and today sa ako ang accreditation contractor consultants material engineers so the new location. So remember the guys na kani. Alright, remember nga ang new location sa PRC no wala na sa city. Ang the new location of the Professional Regulation Commission ay Pagadian City at the Balintawak Regional Center. So proved to be quite convenient. Tinuod yun, proved to be quite convenient ang PRC Balintawak Regional Center. Since I don't have a vehicle at the moment of my driver, no? I don't have the vehicle at the moment. Ang driver is occupied with other important na commitments. So I utilize public transport, which made process manageable. So I had previously scheduled, no? Karon ganun dali ra po na ko inakuha ang ako mga lisensya dahil sa PRCK. Actually, I had previously scheduled by appointment from Manila. So I only needed to claim my licenses here. So ako na lang gihatag sa ilaha din at tumuto nakuha na nako dayon. So I am sincerely grateful for the efficiency, no? I'm grateful po sa PRC diri Balintawak Regional Center nga naman. Nindot kayo, very comfortable ka, di ba? Alright, maingon ko grateful for the efficiency and assistance of the PRC staff. During the process, okay kayo, they are very accommodating and maintaining our license. So ito lang ma-remind ko guys, maintaining our licenses, PRC licenses is vital for ensuring smooth operations sa ato ang profession, no? Especially when it comes to signing transactions. Isig kayo na masigitan pamirma nga expired ang ato ang lisensya. Labi na, kasi pamirma sa civil engineering, sa civil engineer, sa master plumber, then karon transact kami ko ano, pangipaan mo yung ka o mga katong updated mo nga dili itong mga expired, no? Muna kami when it comes to signing transactions, so usually lisod kayo dili mga updated ang mga documents. So it's imperative that we adhere, no? It is imperative that we adhere the professional regulations, rules and regulations to avoid any complications. So thank you for your attention to this matter. So at least sa wakas tuloy ang atong pagpamirma.